start off by taking a medium to large lemon and going to roll it to help release the juices. Then I'm going to cut it into slices. Wedges, sorry. I've already had a couple shots, per usual. It's my favorite way to make videos. So into wedges like this. I'm gonna slice one down the middle and take my wonderful Golden State Warriors shot glasses and I'm going to moisten the tops with the lemon juice, like so. Then I'm gonna take those glasses and take some sugar here. Make them nice and pretty and tasty. Next, I will take my lemon wedges and I will put them in my shaker. Just like that. And I'm going to take this here muddler and I'm going to muddle them to death. Now that they are muddled to death, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar in here and then I'm going to muddle some more. Yep, just like that. Then I have some more Smirnoff and I'm going to take 4 of these. Each of these, the bigger ones in the jiggler, are like 1.5 ounces. So I think that's like 6 ounces. I'm gonna take 6 ounces of vodka and I'm gonna put them in the shaker. I'm gonna hold off on the ice so that the sugar can dissolve a little bit better. Oh, whoops. I meant 4 of these for 6 ounces. Yikes. Oh well, my shots will have to be just a little bit stronger than I had originally anticipated. Now I have some triple sec and I'm gonna take 1 of these, which is again 1.5 ounces. And put it in there. Okay, and I'm just gonna stir this up a little bit with my cute little pineapple cocktail stirrers. Try to dissolve the sugar. And I'm gonna shake. Till frosty. Yum. Yes. And there you have it. That should make approximately 7 shots, enough to hit the spot. Because when life or grocery delivery gives you lemons, you get drunk off lemon drops. Can I get an amen?